Money tree is a little different. It's not like most tropical plants. And when we don't know its right care routine, we often end up killing it with too much love or too little. We'll look at 5 common money tree mistakes and their fixes. Hey everyone, this is Katie. Welcome back to Backyard, where plant problems meet easy solutions. So let's get started. Mistake number 1. Not giving your money tree enough light. What you might be doing: placing the plant in a dim corner, away from windows, or only allowing weak indirect light. Why it matters? Light is basically food for your money tree. Without enough of it, the plant cannot make energy to grow. That's when it starts stretching toward the light, looking tall, thin, and weak, a clear sign it's starving for sunlight. You'll notice the signs like sparse foliage, long thin stems, pale green leaves, no new growth. And here's the fix. Place your money tree near a bright window. East or west facing is good, receiving several hours of bright indirect light. Avoid dark corners. Rotate the plant so all sides get light. If light is very low, consider a grow light for a few hours daily. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong soil or pot size. What you might be doing: using heavy garden soil, a pot without drainage, or a pot that's way too large for the plant. Why it matters? A heavy or compact soil holds too much water, leading to poor aeration and root oxygen deprivation. Roots need oxygen to respire. Similarly, a huge pot means excess volume of soil holds water longer. Roots can sit soggy, root rot risk increases. If the pot is too large or too tight, it upsets the balance between the roots underground and the growth above. And here are the signs you'll notice. Soil stays wet long after watering, roots visible through drainage holes, plant barely growing, mushy roots if you check. And here's the fix. Use a well-draining mix, for example, standard houseplant mix with perlite or sand added. Choose a pot that is just 1 to 2 inches bigger than the current root ball, not a giant jump. Ensure drainage holes and empty any water in the saucer. Repot every 2 to 3 years or when root bound. Mistake number 3. Inconsistent watering habits. What you might be doing: watering erratically, sometimes too much, sometimes too little, or not monitoring soil moisture before watering. Why it matters? Water works like a delivery system. It transports nutrients and keeps the plant cells full and firm. Too little water, roots cannot uptake nutrients and water effectively. Too much water, roots suffocate. Oxygen is displaced. Root rot follows. Both cases stunt growth. And here are the signs you'll notice: leaves yellowing or dropping, overwater, brown crispy edges, underwater, slow growth, soil either bone dry or permanently soggy. And here is the fix. Establish a consistent regimen. Water only when the top half of the soil feels dry. Water thoroughly so excess water comes out of drainage holes. Then allow to drain and empty saucer. In indoor conditions, this might be every 1 to 2 weeks, but check rather than schedule rigidly. Mistake number 4. Neglecting the right environment and temperature. What you might be doing: putting the plant near cold drafts, AC vents, heaters, or letting indoor humidity fall too low. Why it matters? The money tree is a tropical subtropical plant, native to Central South America. Used to warm, humid conditions. Cold or hot drafts and low humidity stress the plant. Stomata may close. Transpiration and nutrient uptake reduce. Cell membranes may get damaged. Growth slows. Brown, crisp leaf edges, leaf drop, wilting despite proper watering, slow new growth, leaves feeling dry, brittle. And here's the fix. Keep the plant in an environment with stable temperature. Avoid drafty windows, AC, heat vents. Improve humidity via pebble tray plus water or a small humidifier. Grouping plants helps. Mistake number 5. Ignoring brown spots. What you might be doing: seeing brown spots or patches on leaves and assuming it's normal aging, leaving them untreated. Why it matters? Brown spots often signal underlying issues like fungal bacterial infections, pest damage, or environmental stress. Too much direct sun, high humidity without airflow. These damage the leaf tissue and reduce the plant's productive leaf area, meaning less photosynthesis, weaker growth. And here are the signs you'll notice: circular brown spots, patches of dead tissue on leaves, or lots of small brown specks, possibly pests like spider mites or scale. Remove affected leaves or sections with clean scissors. Improve air circulation around the plant. Avoid watering foliage. Water only the soil. If pests are present, treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. For fungal spots, Use appropriate fungicide or isolate the plant until it recovers. I've made a dedicated video about brown spots. You can check it out in the description below. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.